Hey, I'm going to show you how to make a veg box out of two PC fans, a power adapter that I used for a guitar pedal, some electrical tape. Basically, you want to use scissors to cut off the black and red wire of the computer fans. Cut off the two cables for the AC DC transformer. Tie the black wires together. Tie the red wires together. Alright, looks pretty tight. Looks like they're in. You can tape over them so you can use them later, but I'm not going to do that right now. So now I'm gonna plug it in. Let's see if it works. It's plugged in. And we have air. Great.